Hello students, today's topic is women structure for equality and rights. We will discuss about in how many various types women have been discriminated and they are struggling for equal rights and equal opportunities, and women are considered to be physically and biologically weaker, but they are not socially or economically weak. This is due to the patriarchal society and mindset of the people. From ancient time to the modern time, our societies has not given the opportunities and status and to play the front foot role for women, so they are continuously has gone on back foot or at the bottom level of the society, and now they are struggling for this equality and opportunity. There were many social reformers have done a lot of for the women's right and women's struggles, but among these few are very famous, especially Raja Ramohan Roy. In 1829, he caused the abolition of Sati Pratha under the Governor General William Bentinck. Later, he started Brahm Samaj for the upliftment of the women by giving the girl child education. He wanted child marriage to end and wanted to encourage widow marriage also. Next social reformer was Dayanand Saraswati. He started the Arya Samaj to educate the girl child, upliftment of women both socially and economically, abolishment of child marriage, encourage widow marriage. He was against the study of Western education and he wanted women to study the Vedas and learn about housekeeping, as they would ultimately become home workers. This social work was done by the Arya Samaj. Next was M.G. Ranade. He was a Hindu Brahmin and was shocked by the way women were treated. He wrote 2 books and appealed to the people by saying that even in the Vedas and was not mentioned to treat them badly or they shouldn't get married again. Next social reformer was Jyotiba Phule. He was a Dalit and started the association called Satya Sodhak Samaj, focused on status of Dalits and women, was the first Indian to start a college for women in Puri. Syed Ahmed Khan, he was a well-educated Muslim and he wanted the Muslim women to be educated as they were suppressed due to the Parda system, but they should learn about housekeeping as they will become house workers. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar was also done a lot of work for the women's welfare and he opposed the way widows were treated. He encouraged men to marry the widows and arranged community marriages. He did this to give respect to the women. Some women social reformers were also effort a lot of for the women's right and equality, and especially Tarabai Shinde wrote a book called History Purush Tulna in 1882, which spoke about how men treated women. She was suppressed, women race were given a very low status, and she also explained and take the action against the women were ill treated like slaves. Next was Begum Rokia Shekhawat Hussain. She wrote an interesting short story, Sultana's dream in 1915, where there was role reversal, magical world, and she especially explained about the men usually worked, stayed there and cooked and did all the household work, and women woodwork jobs, go in rockets. In reality, it was very rural for a man to do household work. Men should help women and lead them go out sometimes. So these female dominated and female leaded families and female leaded societies were especially think by these Begum Rokeya Sakhawat Hussain.